Seraco Kids Media.
Let's learn the names of TOOLBOX. Hammer, screwdriver, plier, wrench, measuring tape, safety goggles, level, nails, screws, nuts and bolts, toolbox or carrying case. Thank you for watching.
Seraco Kids Media.